In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Microsoft Planner plan. Duplicating a plan in Microsoft Planner is a great way to reuse the same structure, buckets, and task setup for a new project, without rebuilding everything from scratch. Before you start, make sure you are signed in to Microsoft Planner, and you can access the plan you want to copy. Begin by opening the plan you wish to copy. Navigate to the Planner app, then go into the specific plan you want to duplicate. Once you are inside the plan, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place, because the copy option will duplicate what is in that plan. Next, look at the top area of the page where the plan name is displayed. Right beside the plan name, you will see a small arrow or drop-down indicator. Click that arrow next to the plan name. This opens a menu with additional plan actions. From that menu, select Copy Plan. This is the built-in option that creates a new plan based on the one you are currently viewing. Now pay close attention to an important requirement in this process. You must select a group to save the copy to. In Microsoft Planner, every plan belongs to a Microsoft 365 group, so the new copied plan needs a group destination. If you do not choose a group, the copy cannot be created. Also note that your plan must be shared to a group before you copy your plan, because you need to choose which group to place your copy into. If you are not seeing the right group as an option, it usually means the original plan is not currently associated with the group you need, or you do not have the correct permissions in that group. Once you select the group, confirm the copy action to complete the duplication. After it finishes, you will have a new plan that you can rename and adjust as needed while keeping the original plan unchanged. And that is all there is to it.